You're watching AutoBliss.
Before we begin this video, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we post a video. With that being said, let's get started.
You ready, Pedro?
Let's do it.
Taking a look at the IS350 interior, it follows the luxury performance script almost perfectly. With clean, simple surfaces built with high quality materials, there are no plasticky looking or hollow sounding surfaces to be found, and all switchgear and controls feel really good on hand and easy to operate. Taking a look at the center console here, you can see that you've got heated seats as well as ventilated seats. Lexus has also integrated a heated steering wheel. Furthermore, to the right, you can see that you've got your navigation controls for your infotainment system. It's super fluid, very easy to use, and it's also got built-in navigation. Over to your left-hand side, you can see your Eco, as well as your normal mode and Sport. Got your traction control button, as well as a snow option. Taking a look at the center display, the system is very powerful and quick to respond. I certainly like the 10.3-inch infotainment display and the split screen capability, which provides the ability to show a lot of useful information at a glance, and at a size that is super easy to read. Taking a look at the rear view mirror, Lexus has integrated an easy one-touch button for your garage door opener. When it comes to a stylish red interior, it's definitely an eye-catcher. Unfortunately, the Lexus didn't make much of headroom space as well as legroom space, which can be a bit tight, so it's something to take note. When it comes to safety, Lexus has integrated its proximity sensor at the front, which gives you pre-collision sensors, pedestrian detection, bicycle detection, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and so much more. You've got built-in LED front headlights at the front with projectors, and you've got your standard halogen turn signals. Taking a look under the hood, you have a naturally aspirated 3.5 V6 engine with 255 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, which is very impressive. You also have got an all-wheel drive system with a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's something to be said when it comes to keeping things simple. Not counting its distinctively aggressive front-end treatment, the Lexus IS 300 mostly sticks to the basics. And they are good basics. Robust, powerful V6 engine? Check. All-wheel drive system? Check. Nicely appointed interior? Check. Quiet, comfortable ride? Check. Competitive handling? Check. We also want to give a huge shout out to Fort Waterloo Toyota, our home dealership, for allowing us to use this vehicle for our video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.